Hi, and welcome to Red Fox Education. This quiz is all about which is taller. There will be 10 rounds, and in each round you have to decide which one is taller. After you have decided, I will then show you the answers. Good luck and have fun. Number 1. Which is taller, a baby versus a mother? Yes, the mother is taller. Number 2. Which is taller, a jug versus a cup? Yes, the jug is taller. Number 3. Which is taller, a bungalow versus a house? Yes, the house is taller. Number 4. Which is taller, a flat versus a house? Yes, the flat is taller. Number 5. Which is taller, an elephant versus a lion? Yes, the elephant is taller. Number 6. Which is taller, a mouse versus a cat? Yes, the cat is taller. Number 7. Which is taller, a car versus a lorry? Yes, the lorry is taller. Number 8. Which is taller, Big Ben Tower versus the Eiffel Tower? Yes, the Eiffel Tower is taller. Number 9. Which is taller, a mountain versus a hill? Yes, a mountain is taller. Number 10. Which is taller, a tree versus a plant? Yes, the tree is taller. Well done!